Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this problem, we'll do optimization. So like when we calculate the results, according to our results, software will optimize the part, what modification need to be done. So here we have set the optimization up to 55%. So what percentage up to we want to optimize our part, we can set that optimization percentage. Okay, then here we can say the producted depth we have given. Then it is the material that we have applied, that is structural steel S275 Newton. Then gravity is acting on the model. Then that force is acting on the hole 412 Newton, both the holes. And we have given here fixed support on all the four holes. Now we'll calculate this problem and we'll see the optimization of the part also. So let's click solve. So I got the results magnitude I'm getting here. You can see that displacement in your Z direction, Y directions, and X direction. So now if you're noticing the part carefully, it start optimizing according to the results that came on the part. You see that it's doing the modification. So it automatically just modify and give you the best optimization solution here. So we can see that how my part is getting optimized. So that is a very best and cool thing in that discovery version, because previous version we have to do that all that optimization manually, and this happening automatically according to the results. Thank you for watching this video. We can see the stress values also on this optimization part. According that it will be optimizing the model. So this is how you can check everything that you required and you can optimize your part with the software intelligence. Thank you for watching this video.